How to buy BNB on TrustWallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to buy BNB on TrustWallet. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to buy BNB on TrustWallet, go ahead and make sure you have the TrustWallet application on your device and further open the application. Make sure you are logged in and have some added funds on your Trust Wallet. Now, tap on the buy button you see there. Once you tap on the buy button from the list of assets displayed on the screen, select BNB and now enter the amount of USD or any other cryptocurrency you would like to spend to buy BNB. You can also change your currency if you want to by tapping on the currency icon you see on top. You will also be able to see the amount of BNB you will receive right beneath. Once you are done, you will need to now select your third-party provider. You can select between MoonPay, Binance Connect, Simplex, or TimeJack. Find the best rate and select the providers from the list and finally tap the buy button at the bottom. I will select MoonPay. Now, if you have selected MoonPay too, you will be taken to this website. Log in to your account in order to check out with MoonPay. You will now need to enter your email address and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to buy BNB with Trust Wallet. So this is how you can buy BNB on Trust Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.